ProLine Bowl Lift Stand Mixer is built for passionate makers, big batch bakers, large family feasts, and for families large enough that every day feels like a feast. Need more mixing room? The ProLine Stand Mixer's 7-quart bowl is the largest in the KitchenAid stand mixer family. When it comes to baking, the ProLine Bowl Lift Stand Mixer boasts an impressive yield of up to 14 dozen cookies in a single batch. The ProLine Stand Mixer's professional-style motor can handle tough dough in high doses, and all ProLine models include a spiral dough hook designed to closely mimic hand kneading. Also exclusive to the ProLine Stand Mixer is the 11-wire stainless steel whip. The ProLine Stand Mixer is our most powerful home mixer, and don't forget, it can easily transform into over 10 different culinary tools with power hub and bowl attachments. The ProLine Stand Mixer lets you create and bake with virtually no limits. Customize, compare, and explore upgrades today on KitchenAid.com.
Easy to create fabulous food with the Cook's Professional die-cast stand mixer. With its powerful 1200-watt motor, you can mix, whisk, beat and knead with the greatest of ease, putting an end to time-consuming manual mixing, kneading and whisking. This brilliant kitchen gadget comes with 4 attachments: a beater, hook, whisk and, a key feature with this mixer, twin dough hooks, enabling you to prepare delicious cake mixes, mouth-watering meringues and bread dough simply and easily. The 5-litre mixing bowl allows you to mix large quantities without any spills, and there's a useful spray guard lid with access for pouring in ingredients while you're mixing. With 8 speed settings and a pulse function, you can set the mixer to the exact speed you require. It's mains powered and features a tilting head for easy removal of the bowl. To clean, simply hand wash the bowl and attachments and wipe clean the surface of the mixer. The main body is made from die-cast aluminium. The whisk and bowl are stainless steel and the dough hook and beater are aluminium. Available in a wide range of colours, this sleek design combines power with style and will look great in any kitchen.